In the heart of the North Tonga district, nestled among the hills, lies the village of Alabonu, a place where history breathes through the land and the people who call it home. For centuries, Alabonu has been the lifeblood of tradition, where customs and stories are passed down, shaping the identity of its people. But beneath the calm surface, the village has witnessed waves of change, carving new paths while holding on to its roots. Access to resources, education, and healthcare remain critical concerns, with the youth standing at a crossroads between opportunity and tradition. Despite the challenges, the spirit of Alabonu remains unbroken. Within the struggle, there is hope that the future can be brighter for the next generation. With new projects, initiatives, and the wisdom of elders, the village is finding ways to sustain its people while nurturing the potential of its youth. Progress, though slow, is visible, and with each step, Alabonu moves closer to a future where tradition and change coexist. As Alabonu continues its journey, the village's heartbeat persists, a rhythm of past and future connected through time. In the years to come, Alabonu will stand as a symbol of perseverance, proving that even in the face of change, a community's soul remains its most enduring legacy. This is the story of Alabonu, a village of tradition, a village of change.